Greetings guys, my name is Katlego Mlambo. I'm the head chef for the Marabi Club. Let's make something delicious, something easy, and something that will tick all the boxes. And we figured, why not make a risotto? But we're gonna switch things up a bit and make a red wine risotto with a bit of different texture of beetroot. Great thing about this is you can go the vegetarian option without chicken, steak, or fish, or for those meat lovers, we're gonna have a beautiful ribeye. Let me stop talking and let me get straight to the cooking. Hot pan, I'm gonna take my onions, I'm gonna pop them inside, and that is the sound you wanna hear. You just wanna saute these bad boys for about 3 to 5 minutes just to allow them to be translucent. But to help break this down, I need my salt. So I'm gonna add some salt. While this thing is thing, I'm gonna add my ginger and my garlic. Obviously, we're trying to maximize this risotto of ours and take it to the next level. I've got some vegetable stock here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be a little cheeky. I'm just gonna add some knobs of rosemary and some knobs of thyme. The reason I'm using a wooden spoon, let me just have some. Oh yeah, you don't want to use a metal spoon because the metal spoon tends to break the rice grains. So wooden spoon is your best friend when making risotto. Then I've got my albuya rice over there, and the whole idea is I want to add this guy to the onions, to the ginger, to the garlic, and just allow the rice to get toasted with all this flavor. Yeah, I'm gonna add straight into my risotto. So you can imagine the color. I'm gonna add some beetroot juice. Alright. We are adding our stock. And the last thing we want to do is add a lot of stock and end up boiling risotto. You know what I mean? Risotto it's quite a thirsty rice, so you want to be adding a bit, allowing it to absorb, and adding some more. Just add just a tad more of some wine. Just like that. In this one I'm gonna add my chopped sage, thyme, and rosemary just to start building those layers of deliciousness. Oh yeah. So the garlic, the ginger, the onion, you know, the wine, the beetroot, they're doing a little dance. And we're just helping to orchestrate this little party that they're having. Just keep on feeding it gently a vegetable stock. And you can see that it's starting to become nice and thick. The starchiness of the rice is just starting to do its thing. I think we can start with our steak. I want to make sure that my pan is hot. So we're gonna add a bit of oil. I'm just gonna add our salt just like that. Beautiful ribeye. You can imagine that it's gonna be super, super amazing. Oh yes, 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 yes. Little sizzling situation over there. What I want to do is I'm going to allow the steak to actually cook, and at the end I'm going to finish it off with the butter and the herbs. If I add the herbs and the butter now, I'm going to burn the butter, and that's the last thing I want. Yeah. Now we just add our butter. This is going to be good. It's going to be good. Yeah, let me bring this close. You can see a little crust action over there. So you know that we're doing something good. Yeah. Pop that inside. Just like that. Add some garlic. And just allow the steak to bathe in deliciousness. My steak is ready for action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put him on my board to rest. It's very important to allow the steak to rest before you slice it, because if you slice it before it resting, all the goodies and all the juices just ooze out. So I'm gonna put all this guy here on top, just to sit, just like that. Roasted beets, some thyme and ginger. Just gonna sprinkle those. Beets, goat cheese, classical combination. And then with these guys, pickled beets. I'm just gonna place one on this side. Place one this side. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. And just can imagine the beetroot. The goat cheese is at the bottom, melting slowly. Oh my word. You know, if this is not joy in a bowl, then I don't know what is. The ribeye, the raw beets, the roasted beets, the beetroot juice. It's just flavor town, and the flavor, it's savagely delicious. When you're good, you're good. Thank you very much, guys.